this is my pattern. It's really fun to play with, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm going to do the rest of the colors. This one was pink. It turned out to be food coloring, and I'll show you the rest. So you need food coloring. You don't need it, but I want it. I'm going to do, next I'm going to do blue. Then this one's blue. I'm going to do all the ones at once. This one's purple, and this one's green. So I'm going to grab each four for each. And a whip, and a whip, and a whip. Going to have baking soda, and then Elmo's school glue, and activator, known as contact solution. Put glue in each little cup. I need to stand up to this because it's really big. Each little cup it goes in. Perfect. So next, after we put in the glue, we're not just gonna put in these because this would take a long time. We need all of this for. Oop, I'm gonna grab more. The baking soda, it's called pure baking soda. Whoop, that's too much. Honestly, you can put as much as you want. Just, it depends on what kind of thing you want. I think that's good. Well, I'm gonna mix each of the time. First, you mix this one. Okay. Then I'm gonna mix this one. Then I'm gonna mix this one. Make sure they're all mixed up. Then we're gonna grab the food coloring, open it up, and put 1 drop. 1 if you want a light color. 2 if you want a darker color. I want to put 1. We want to put very pretty. Ooh, look at that, it's blue. It's gonna turn into real blue, so look, it goes along quick. Look at this baby blue. Looks like the ocean blue. I'm gonna put on my purple, 1 drop. I tried the purple. I put too much purple. Be careful with the purple. See how this purple turns out, because I don't know how the purple or green is gonna, or blue, which I already know. Oh my god, it's turning this baby purple. It looks so pretty. I already did the pink, so I don't know how. I don't need to do the pink. It's like really violet. Ooh, I really like it. Now to do the green. 1 drop, remember, only 1 drop of food coloring. So yes, you could use regular food coloring. I just like food coloring because it's like much more colors, and I really like food coloring. I recommend more food coloring. Yeah, this is my favorite color, green. It's like really limey green. I like neon green. This is like a neon green. I might need a little bit more baking soda, like a little bit, because the slime looks like it needs it. Just maybe a little bit more baking soda and these 2. Don't worry, there's no really limits on how much you put, because I mean it is your slime. Open my activator. It is contact solution. I got this one at like a food store. I think it was like you can get at Target, Amazon. So I'm gonna pour a little bit at first, and then like you have to go right close. Perfect. Now see all this activator? It looks like still it's rejecting the water, the slime. I'm just gonna mix it. Okay, now it's starting to turn sticky. And you kind of want this at first, the stickiness just at the first, so you could soften it out later. have to put all this out later. See, it's turning to slime. This is a very soft slime and it's really fun. Okay, it's satisfying, stretchy, and you would do it at home, homemade. So right now it's turning really sticky. Let's try this purple one. Surprisingly, right now I don't need any paper towels. This purple I think is actually gonna be my favorite because this one's like yellow. Okay, this is turning really, really well. It's super fun. Whoa, look at this. Make sure I get all that slime because I don't like to waste any slime. Fun, exciting, and homemade. Whoop! All in one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Craftigan. Whoa, it looks, I really want this one too. The one my favorite. Okay, so now is, well, the hard part. Well, you guys you don't have to do this, but I kind of recommend it, but it could get messy. Take out your spoons, what you mix with. You might mix with the hands, and yes. Put the spoons all away. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think this one needs a little bit more flavor. Then I'm gonna go like, I really don't want to do this. Wow. Very smart idea, but very. Okay. Very, very, very sticky. I mean, very. Okay, it's starting to become like more like slime. It's still very sticky. You just gotta play with it, stretch it, fidget it. It's cold. Okay, now it's starting to not be sticky. I mean, not be sticky. It's really fun. This piece is like glue. We need a mixer. Gotta mix it. Ooh, I wanted to make butter slime. And maybe I can make that on my next video, which is probably right after this. Because you need like clay for butter slime. Make sure you got all of it. Dip it all in here. Okay, that one is a total amazing, total good, not a total fail. Because this one turned out really well. Don't put too much activator, it would be all brainy. That's all right for it. It's like fluid, and then it won't stretch. Put that now. Oh, I don't know how about this purple. Ooh, do it. Look at I stick my finger. Okay. Right now it's so, oh my god, it's stickier than the blue one right now. Must have more activated. Okay, now to becoming not sticky. Woof. Love those pieces. This is like more of like a gluey texture than a slime texture. Ugh. Oh wow, I'm gonna have to wipe that off. Okay, now it's not sticky. Oof. Well, we got this piece. Okay, now this piece. Grab it, grab. That's how you clean up slime. You just stab it. Dab. Clean up your hands. Woof. now green. I don't know about this green. I don't know how it's green. I just feel like I don't want to touch it. Okay, you're gonna stick my finger in there, guys. And this one. I don't want to. I don't look. Almost time. Okay. Okay. Time to go in. I put my hand there. Oh, no, this one is the worst. Very oh my god, it's so cold. And then grab you, and then poke you, and then grab you. Dab, dab, dab. To the dab, to the dab, to the... Okay, now this is so fun. Now this is a fun slime. Okay, you guys. I did 1, 2, 3 slime. 3 slimes. I did another one, this pink one, but this one I did as a tester. I'm gonna put a little bit of this flakiness in the purple and pink. And maybe blue, this is this. Maybe a little bit of that pink. That pink. Okay, you guys, time to play. This is so satisfying, fun. Which one should I demonstrate to you guys? I think I should demonstrate the purple. Pretty. I'm gonna mix this purple up. Oh, this purple is still a little bit oozy. Oh, this piece is a little bit oozy. Gotta fix you. I forgot. That's why you always have to double check it. Okay, now it's fun. And now last but not least, the blue. I really like this blue because it's like really nice. Let me show you. That. So it's really nice and stretchy. This is a total amazing. It pops. Oh, did you hear that? Now that was amazing. Okay, guys. Sorry, time up. But don't forget to like and subscribe.